Bad bosses, when they don't like your idea, will easily shut you down. They will make you feel that you are inadequate. They will use the formula reject and dismiss. Reject and dismiss. And it goes something like, John, don't you get it? You should do better than this. Or, John, we've done this too many times. I need something else. And this type of words will always be bound to hurt someone's feelings. They will disengage employees. Great leaders do something differently. They will use the formula appreciate before they decline, or appreciate before they challenge. They will say something like, thank you for that input. However, we should do X, Y, and Z. John, I understand where you're coming from. I see why you said that, but X, Y, and Z. Or they will say something like, John, I'm going to park that idea for now. I need to collect some more from other folks in the room. But in the meantime, let's do X, Y, and Z. Great leaders know that in order to be able to engage their employees, they need to choose a positive set of words. Be that leader that you wish you can have in your career.